Hardwood flooring trends, 2026. Hardwood flooring has always been a symbol of elegance and durability, but trends evolve with time, shaping new styles, materials, and installation techniques. As we move into 2026, homeowners and designers are embracing innovative flooring options that blend aesthetics with sustainability and functionality. Here are the top trends to watch for in the hardwood flooring industry in 2026. 1. Sustainable and eco-friendly floors. Environmental consciousness is driving the demand for sustainable hardwood flooring. Consumers prefer FSC-certified wood, reclaimed wood, and engineered hardwood with eco-friendly adhesives. Bamboo and cork are also gaining traction as renewable alternatives that mimic the warmth of traditional hardwood. 2. Wider and longer planks. The preference for wide and long planks continues to grow, offering a seamless and spacious feel. Planks exceeding 7 inches in width and lengths up to 10 feet create a luxurious high-end appearance while minimizing seams for a cleaner aesthetic. 3. Textured finishes for natural appeal. Smooth finishes are giving way to more tactile textured surfaces. Wire-brushed, hand-scraped, and distressed finishes enhance the organic look of hardwood, making it feel more natural and inviting. These textures also help conceal everyday wear and scratches. 4. Warm and earthy tones dominate. Color preferences are shifting from cool grays to rich, warm tones. Shades like honey oak, walnut brown, and caramel add depth and coziness to interiors. Earthy undertones align with the broader trend of nature-inspired home design. 5. Matte and low-sheen finishes. Glossy floors are becoming less popular in favor of matte and low-sheen finishes. These options reduce glare, enhance the wood's natural beauty, and are easier to maintain, making them a practical choice for modern homes. 6. Hybrid and waterproof hardwood. Advancements in flooring technology have introduced waterproof hardwood, combining real wood with water-resistant coatings. This trend caters to homeowners who want the beauty of hardwood without the risks of moisture damage, making it ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. 7. Herringbone and chevron patterns. Classic parquet flooring styles like herringbone and chevron are making a strong comeback. These patterns add visual interest and sophistication, transforming floors into statement pieces in contemporary and traditional homes alike. 8. Mixed material flooring designs. Hardwood is being paired with other materials such as stone, tile, and concrete to create unique artistic flooring designs. This mix-and-match approach allows homeowners to personalize their space with custom layouts that reflect their individual style. 9. Smart and heated hardwood floors. Technology is playing a bigger role in flooring with the rise of smart home integrations. Heated hardwood floors are gaining popularity for added comfort, and innovative coatings enhance durability by making floors more resistant to stains and scuffs. 10. DIY-friendly installation options. Floating and click-lock hardwood flooring systems are becoming more refined, allowing homeowners to install their floors without professional assistance. These user-friendly options reduce installation costs while still delivering a high-end look. As hardwood flooring trends continue to evolve in 2026, homeowners can expect a perfect balance between beauty, sustainability, and functionality. Whether embracing natural textures, rich colors, or cutting-edge technology, the future of hardwood flooring is both stylish and practical.